Ever wondered why your brake discs wear out quickly? You're watching the AutoAdviser YouTube channel. Brake discs are the unsung heroes of your car's braking system. They're right there in the heat of the action, enduring intense friction and pressure to bring your vehicle to a halt. But sometimes they suffer from premature wear and tear, and one of the common culprits is driving with worn-out brake pads. Here's the thing. Brake pads are the buffer between your car's braking system and the unforgiving road. Over time, they wear thin, and when they do, they can't generate enough friction to stop the car effectively. This puts a significant strain on your brake discs, causing them to overheat and warp. The solution? Regular checks. Keep an eye on your brake pads and replace them when they reach the minimum thickness recommended by your car manufacturer. So, remember to check your brake pads regularly and replace them when necessary. Moving on, another common mistake that puts your brake discs at risk is braking too hard or too often. This habit is often linked to aggressive driving, speeding, or tailgating, all of which can lead to unnecessary strain on your brake system. When you brake aggressively, the rapid deceleration generates excessive heat, which can cause the brake discs to overheat. This overheating can lead to warping or cracking of the brake discs, both of which can significantly impair your car's braking performance. Similarly, frequent braking, especially in heavy traffic or downhill drives, can cause the same overheating issue, reducing the lifespan of your brake discs. The solution? Drive smoothly and anticipate traffic situations ahead of time. Avoid sudden braking whenever possible. Try to use engine braking or coasting to slow down your vehicle. This approach not only extends the life of your brake discs, but also makes for a more comfortable ride. Now let's talk about the third common mistake: using low-quality or mismatched brake parts. It might seem tempting to save a few bucks by opting for cheaper parts, but this can end up costing you more in the long run. Low-quality brake parts may not fit properly, use inferior materials, or lack the proper ventilation needed to keep your brake discs cool. This can lead to uneven wear, increased vibration and noise, or even complete failure of the brake system. Mismatched brake parts, on the other hand, can have different sizes, shapes, or specifications that do not align with your car's requirements. This mismatch can cause imbalance in your brake system, leading to similar issues of uneven wear, vibration, and noise. To avoid these issues, always use high-quality and compatible brake parts from reputable brands and sources. Using the right parts not only ensures optimal performance of your brake system, but also contributes to the overall safety of your vehicle. So remember, to keep your brake discs in top shape, don't brake too hard, too often, and always use high-quality, compatible brake parts. In the next segment, we'll discuss the remaining common mistakes that can cause your brake discs to wear out quickly. Driving conditions can also have a significant impact on your brake discs. Our fourth common mistake is driving in wet or dirty conditions. Water, mud, sand, salt, or other contaminants can sneak into the brake system, leading to corrosion, rust, or abrasion of the brake discs. These elements can reduce the friction between the brake pads and the brake discs, impairing your braking ability and increasing the risk of skidding or hydroplaning. Now imagine being in a situation where you need to brake instantly, but your car skids instead. Scary, right? So make it a habit to clean your brake system regularly and avoid driving through puddles, mud, or snow whenever possible. Moving on to the fifth and final mistake: neglecting regular maintenance and inspection. This is perhaps the most damaging error, as it's akin to turning a blind eye to potential problems. Without proper maintenance and inspection, you might not notice signs of damage or wear until it's too late. This negligence can lead to costly repairs, reduced performance, or even accidents. Think of it this way: your car is like a loyal friend, always ready to take you wherever you need to go. But if you neglect your friend, they might not be there when you need them most. So, follow your car's maintenance schedule and inspect your brake system at least once a year, or whenever you notice any problems. Clean your brake system regularly and follow your car's maintenance schedule to avoid these problems. So, those are the 5 common mistakes that can cause your brake discs to wear out quickly. Remember, driving with worn-out brake pads, braking excessively, using low-quality brake parts, driving in harsh conditions, and neglecting regular maintenance can all lead to premature brake disc wear. By avoiding these mistakes and taking good care of your brake system, you can extend the life of your brake discs and ensure your safety and performance on the road. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on car maintenance.